And for a lot of women, this triggers feelings of deep relaxation and well-being, which is where the benefits of dealing with anxiety comes from.
And welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we've got a good video for you. I've got Claire Gray here from Claire Gray Mamas. Thanks for joining us. And she has actually come onto this project, this fitness journey that we're doing. So she's playing a big role and she's got some hot tips for us today. If you don't know Claire, I'll leave a link to a video where we're meeting Claire for the first time that you can click on. She has a lot of expertise and a lot of time in this field, and I really think you're gonna like her. So today though, we're talking about yoga. So I just picked 4 of my favorite moves because they're the most accessible of the yoga moves. You can do them if you're out to here, 9 months pregnant, or postnatal as well. So the first pose we're going to go through is called Warrior 1. This pose stretches the chest, the hips, and the calves, and it also strengthens the lower body and the shoulders. This is a great move to start with because you're in a standing position, so you don't need to worry about being able to get down on a mat or anything. If you are more experienced with yoga, you can hold this pose in a deeper stretch. So we'll start off nice and easy, but always know that with each breath, you can sink deeper into that hip stretch. The second move we're going to do is a bridge. This stretches the chest, neck, spine, and hips. It also strengthens your back, your butt, and your hamstrings and improves circulation. This is one of the poses that alleviates stress and anxiety the most. The third pose we're going to do is the Navasana Pose. We're going to modify it a little bit to make it more accessible for everyone. But this is going to allow you to start strengthening your abs, spine, and hip flexors in a static position so that we're not doing any crunching or bending or twisting. Perfect. Yeah. Heading back, toes up. You can leave your heels in contact with the ground to start. If you're feeling stress in the abdominal muscles already, then this is where you want to stay. I feel it.
Yeah, and if you need more of a challenge, then we can bring the heels off the ground. Wow. There you go, yeah. So the idea with yoga poses is to be able to hold them for a little bit longer, so we get a few long deep breaths in. Okay. So if you find that you're getting into a position where your body starts shaking, or you're going to fall over, then we need to back off a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, we're going the distance here, so I'm going to stay like this.
Yeah. And the last pose we're going to go through is the cat-cow. So you're going to be on all fours and working on your spinal mobility. It also strengthens the abdominal muscles.
That was really, really great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button to see more. I post every Wednesday and Saturday, and until next time, live it well because you only live once. Bye. Pre and post natal training.